Hi, I'm Sujata. Happy anniversary to Aashwasan and wishing a very happy birthday to Rashmi Aiyappa. Aashwasan was founded in the year 2005. In these 17 years, Aashwasan family has grown bigger and bigger by spreading the ray of hope to many individuals and their families. I am part of this Aashwasan family since 2016. Today I am going to share my experience with Aashwasan. My son, Shagnik, is an individual with autism. When we started our journey with Aashwasan, I was only focusing on the things which my son cannot do. I used to see everything through the autism lens. I knew our journey is different from others, but for me it was very difficult to accept that difference. But Aashwasan helped me to explore and find out the beauty of this different path. Aashwasan helped me to accept and embrace the difference. Not only that, it also helped me to find out the potential of my son. Acceptance doesn't come overnight. I still remember the initial years of my son's diagnosis. I used to hide his difference from people who are not very close to us. But today I can tell loudly that I am very proud of his difference, which gave me a meaningful life of lot of learning, and he gave me unconditional love and affection. I am blessed to have him as my son in this lifetime. I am thankful to Aashwasan for changing our journey from rejecting the difference to accept and embrace the difference. I wish Aashwasan can reach to people at every corner of the world. Thank you.